Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. I have an unboxing today, or unbagging, from Beebeecraft. And I know many of you have heard of Beebeecraft, and I selected a few things that they asked me to select, and we're gonna see what I got. I don't even remember. It's been a minute. So let's see what I got. I love their items, and they have a big variety of things too. Let me get this crinkly sound out of the way. They have a good selection of items, and you get free shipping if your order is over a certain amount, so it's a great deal. And also, if you wanted to participate in this program, all you have to do is have 100 or more subscribers and have a YouTube channel with 100 or more subscribers, and you could be in the program as well and select items up to a certain amount, and they'll send them to you. You do an unboxing video, and then you do 2 other videos where you do like a craft with me or a process video showing how you use the items that you selected. So that's all there is to it. So I encourage you to give it a try if you would like to. So I've got my packing list here so that I can show you the item codes. The first thing I got was this cool doily die cut, and I've been wanting a doily die cut, so I will be showing you how these look when you make doilies and what some ways we can use these. So isn't that cool? So I've got an outer one this size and this little bitty one and the word love, so I'm excited to use this. Then I got, oh wait, the item number is right here, DIY-WH0263-0127. And that is the item number in case you wanted to order this and give it a shot and see if how you like it. Then next, now I have this gorgeous trim, and the item number for this is DIY-WH0188-13. And this is some beautiful trim. It's hard to tell sometimes online how something looks. So, see if I can get it out. Here we go. I had to tear open my bag. And this, I believe, is sticky trim. So I can't remember if it's feels sticky. Maybe not. It's not sticky, but anyway, it feels sticky on this side. But it's really, really pretty. See all the little rocks and beads? Isn't that pretty? And you get, how much is on here? I don't know how much, so we'll just roll it out so you can see. I thought this is pretty cool, and I believe it's a little over a yard, so very pretty. You can turn it backwards or frontwards. Either way, so this will be fun to use on one of my journals or a tag, a journal card, or decorating a box, or all kinds of things. Very pretty. So I'll be showing you how I use this. I'm not sure which ones I'll do with what. Then I love Rickrack, and I do not have very much at all. And they had black, and I can use black on so many things because I love grungy, and it's a pretty size Rickrack, and you get a lot. I don't know, I mean there's a lot on here. I think it tells you in the description, if you look it up, how many yards. It says 1 roll, but I believe it'll tell you how many yards. I just don't remember. So it's OCOR-GF0001-16D. That is for the Rickrack, and they had some other colors. But I like this. I like the texture and the weight. It's not bulky and thick. So this will be cool in one of my projects as well. Then, last but not least, I got 9 stencils, and they are pretty big. I didn't realize they were this large. But these are super cool. Be great to use in journals. Or you can use this to stencil on fabric or on even a wall in a kitchen. Let me see if I can do this a different way so that it'll show up better. This off. Okay. And this sweet little lamb, it says lamb, and it's Farm Life. Isn't that cute? Another thing I thought is I'd stencil it on paper, then I can shrink it down, scan it and shrink it to make it fit in a journal smaller, or I can use it this big and, you know, like a page when I flip it over. So isn't that cool? Super cute. It's one, and you get this whole set about farm stuff. So this one says, I love this, Farm Fresh, and you've got the tractor and the wagon with the pumpkins and the leaves. Isn't that cute? I love it. So these are going to be super fun. Farm Life with Bessie, the cow. Isn't she cute? She's got a dandelion in her mouth. Love it. So I'm excited to get to use these stencils. And thank you, Beebeecraft, for the opportunity. These are wonderful products, and I'm excited to use them. Welcome to our farmhouse with the pumpkins. Love that. And you can separate these, like Farm Sweet Farm. I love the bee. You gotta love it. So if I didn't want to do all this on one page because it's a stencil, I can do just my bee on a page, a honeycomb. I can do sweet, farm. You know, you can separate them and not have to do them all in one stencil. So there are a lot of different ways you can use them. Welcome, and you've got the barn with the little chicks and the tree. Love this one, and the picket fence. These are going to be fun because I love farm journals, and I'm going to do a cookbook journal, so some of these will be good for that. It says Heifer Please. I love that. It's got the milk jar up there with some leaves and the cow and the grass. That is adorable. The reason I think it's so adorable is because my husband calls me Heifer sometimes. This says Blessed, and you've got the farm with the windmill, and then you've got a windmill over here. and the wheat. I think that's what that's supposed to be. It says blessed. And last but not least, farm fresh eggs. Super cute. Love the chicken and the little egg nest. That's going to be fun. So those are my Beebeecraft products that I will be doing a couple of process videos, craft with me's, to show you how I use these. So stay tuned, and in the next few days, probably over the weekend, I'll be doing some process videos with these. So come back and watch, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.